Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are back on our London section live video. You understand? We are back on our London section live video. As you are joining us, let me see a reaction from you. Let me see. Tell me where you are watching from, the state you are watching from, or the country you are watching from, so that you will go straight ahead because already this 8 a.m. London section, like we have mixed one particular trade already on JPUSD and Euro USD, and that thing is paining me. If you can see my eye, I dey vex now like this because I dey been like this. We are on this particular live video when that particular strategy play out. We for just follow the market to the downside, but we miss it because the live stream is from 8 a.m. You get. So I want to see a reaction from you. Thank you as you're joining. I want to see a reaction from you. Then I want to show you guys one or two things on the chart. You understand? Okay, Salman Akwara from Gombe State. You are highly welcome. I appreciate my brother. Salman, I don't know if you are a woman or I don't know, but you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. So, what I'm going to do now, I'll go straight to the chart, you understand, then do analysis. We have missed a trade on Euro USD and AP USD already, you understand, but nevertheless, hi, winner. See my boss. Winner, FG. How far, bro? See you. Hey, I don't catch you today. I don't catch you. Oh yeah, now since you have joined our live video today, we are gonna run it together, bro. We are gonna run it together. All right, guys. As you are joining, let me know where you are watching from, the state you are watching from. Let's go, bro. Let's go. The state you are watching from. Then I'll give you a shout out. Then we'll go straight to the charts. You understand? We have missed a trade already, so let's know what to do next. Preparing for New York section because this London section, the move that I'm expecting on London section this morning, it happened very fast, of which we cannot be able to like catch it. But I will tell you guys what to do and what to expect on the chart now to prepare yourself towards this in New York section. You understand? So let's go. As you are joining, let me know where you are watching from so that I'll give you a shout out. So on our screen here, this is JPUSD. You understand? I do all this analysis during our breakdown analysis, top down analysis yesterday. You understand? But this is where I've been expecting the market to tap on this fair value gap yesterday. And even we start this live video early, but the market just play out very early. That's just the thing. You understand? So it's none of our fault. It's like it's not your fault and it's not my fault. All we need to do, we cannot catch all the move in the market. You understand? All we need to do is to like do our analysis, then prepare for another opportunity. If you miss one opportunity, there will be lot more other opportunity that will come. You understand? So you don't need to like beat yourself too much whenever you miss an opportunity. If not, this is where we're supposed to take our self from. This particular bearish engulfing candle, this is where we're supposed to take ourselves from. Then our stop loss supposed to be above this particular high. You understand? And it being we are on the live that like this particular strategy play out while we are on live, if we take ourselves from here, then maybe target 1 to 2, you get target 1 to 2, and if we play out clean and clear, and you guys know what I always target 1 to 2 is my favorite, except if I take partial profit then put the remaining one on break even. You get, put the remaining one on break even. Hi Benvi, hi, how you doing? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Tell me where you are watching from. So this is exactly what I'm seeing now. So what I'll do now, go to daily time frame, then see how the market is like, see the reaction of the market from the daily time frame. Then I'll come to a 4 hour time frame, market support and resistance level out. Then go to 15-minute time frame. Then I'll show you guys what you should do, like what you should be expecting from that particular support and resistance level. You understand? But currently, GPUSD, Euro USD, GPUSD and Euro USD, they are on the downtrend. You understand? That one, no jokes. They are on the downtrend. But As a day trader and a scalper, you can be able to take a buy or a sell from a resistance level, or from a support level, and from a resistance level. You can take a buy from a support level, from a major support level, and you can take a sell from a resistance level. You understand? They are on the downtrend now. You get. So let's see if we can get any opportunity before this particular live stream ends. Let me go to daily time frame first. I'll go to daily time frame. Since the market is coming down, where exactly are you expecting the market to come before you see any other reaction or push to the upside? This is the major support level here. This is the major support level. We have late already. The market have the market do what I don't expect it to do early. So I just invest now like this. I just invest. So I just want us to brush through it. Oyo State live, no be lie. I see you, my bro. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. You're highly welcome, Winner FG. You're highly welcome. I appreciate, my bro. So this is what I'm expecting. So we'll wait for the market to come on this particular support level. Then let me go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see if this okay. As you can see on the 4 hour time frame, the support level correspond with the one we do from the daily time frame. You understand? So all you need to do now, as the market is taking an aggressive move to the downside, you wait for the market to rest on this particular support level before you take action. You understand? You wait for the market to tap on this particular support level, then you go to your 15-minute time frame. Just as I always tell you guys, you go to your 15-minute time frame, then you wait for a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Then you wait for a bullish engulfing candle. Let me see if this candlestick close engulf, then there will be a little push to the upside before we see a break to the downside again, before the market will go and like rest on the major support level. You understand? So let's see how it's going to be. You understand? This is the major support level. I'm waiting for the market to come. Then on the 15-minute time frame, let me just see. I'll go to 15-minute time frame like this. Be this way. On the 15-minute time frame, I will wait for the market to come to this support level, give us a W pattern, then join it with engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Then we'll follow it to the upside, then to the next resistance level. And where is the next resistance level if we take this particular trade? This is the next resistance level. You understand? This is the next resistance level. Maybe the market is going to take out this particular high before we see another push to the downside. You understand? The market will take out this particular high, then before we see another push to the downside. You understand? Since the market is on the downtrend now, you understand that? So this is what I'll be expecting on GBP/USD. This is what I'll be expecting on GBP/USD, but I'll hold on, let this particular candlestick close. If this candlestick close, then we'll have a little retracement to the upside before we see the break to the downside. You understand? If this particular candlestick close bullish and it close healthy, I will then we'll see what to do. Then we'll see what to do. Beatrice, you are highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. Beatrice, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. Rachel, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I see you. Good morning. Which pair is GBP/USD? You understand? This is GBP/USD. We have missed one trade already on GBP/USD, a sell position on GBP/USD. We have missed that particular one. Then what I'm saying now, we are waiting for the market to rest on this particular support level. Then we'll see an engulfing candle from the support level. Maybe if the market comes to this support level and you not see a W pattern, you switch down to 5-minute time frame. Then you see a W pattern. Then combine it with 15-minute engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle from this support level. Then you enter for a buy. You understand? But since the market have break, what I'm seeing currently now, since the market have break below this particular resistance level, there will be a little retracement to the upside before the market will come down to the support level. But me, I will not want you to do anything now. You understand? I want you to hold on, wait for the market to rest on this particular major support level. Then if you see your engulfing candle, even if I'm live, even if I'm on live or I'm not on live, I want you guys to know how to do your simple technical analysis so that it will not be hard for you whenever you come on your chart to do your analysis to take a trade. You get, because you don't supposed to rely on somebody to give you a signal or to do a simple technical analysis for you. That is my aim, my major aim, just to teach you how to do your simple technical analysis, so that you will not rely on anybody to do it for you. You understand? So whenever you see a push to the downside like this, all you need to do is switch to the higher time frame, which is 1 hour time, daily time frame. You understand? Know how the market, know how yesterday candlestick close. If you know how yesterday candlestick close, then you switch to 4 hour time frame. You understand? You switch to 4 hour time frame, then you mark your support level out. If the market is going to the downside, then you mark your support level out. On that support level, if you want to take a buy, because whenever a market comes to a support level, there must be a push to the upside. If you want to take a buy from that particular support level, you wait for the market to give you a clean a W pattern from that particular support level, then you combine it with a bullish engulfing candle, and you are good to go. Then you enter for a buy. You understand, to the next resistance level. Then before that next resistance level, I want you to stop out, like get out of the market before the next resistance level, because the market is on a downtrend, so it might not reach the next resistance level before it breaks to the downside. So this is what I always want you to do on your chart. If you come on your chart, I don't want you guys to rely on somebody for a simple technical analysis. I want you guys to be able to do your own technical analysis by yourself, so that it won't be hard for you to take your trade whenever you come on your chart. You get? If you are hearing me, let me see number one from you guys. If you guys are hearing me, let me see number one. Let me see number one. Let me see number one. Yesterday, my laptop do overheat. Like my laptop is overheating, so my voice, like my the audio cease. So you guys cannot be able to hear my voice at the, like, after, maybe like after that 1 hour 20 something minutes live, the laptop do overheating, then my voice cease. So I make so much research about it, and there is a fan beside me now who is farming the, like, who is blowing the laptop so that it will not do overheat. You understand? So let's see how today will go. I just pray today will go successful. All right, means you guys are hearing me. Yes, that means you guys are hearing me. That's very great. So what I'll just like rush through what I say on JPUSD now, then we'll go to Euro USD. You understand? If you come on your life, if you come on your chart, first thing first, go to the daily time frame. Know how yesterday candlestick close. If it's close bearish, then wait for today candlestick, like means what you expect from today candlestick again is a bearish. Then what you need to do is mark a resistance and a support level. If you want to take a sell, wait for the market to go to a resistance level. If the market is retracing to the upside, wait for it to go to the resistance level. Then you will see an end pattern. As you can see, before this particular market break to the downside, this is an end pattern that it formed. You understand? The market form an end pattern. You understand? Before it breaks to the downside. You understand? This is an end pattern before the market breaks to the downside. Then, if the market is approaching a support level, try wait for a major support level. As you can see, this particular support level is not a major support level, because this is 15 minutes time frame support level. So that's the reason why the market break below it without delay. You understand? So you wait for the market to come on 4 hour time frame support level, then you switch to your lower time frame, which is 15 minute time frame. Expect a W pattern from 5 minute time frame, then combine it with bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame, and you take your buy position from a major support level. Then opt out before you reach major resistance level, because the market is on a downtrend. You understand? So we are going to Euro USD now. I just want to brush through everything very quick, teach you what to do on the chart, and make sure you know, like, to like make sure you guys know what to during the New York session, since we have missed our trade on London section already. Instead, I was supposed to take on London section. We have missed that one. So I want to like get you guys prepared for New York section, so that whenever the market bounce on the support level, you know what to do immediately. You understand? And don't do anything if the market do not come to this major support level. That's what I have to tell you. Don't do anything if the market do not come to this particular major support level. Means it's not going anywhere far. You understand? It will like come on this support level before we see a push to the upside. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's go to Euro USD. Am I too fast? I don't know. I don't know if I'm too fast. I don't know if I'm too fast. I don't know if I'm too fast. I don't know if you guys are getting me. So please, if you are getting me, let me see an emoji on the chat so that we'll go to Euro USD. If you are getting me clean and clear, let me see an emoji from you, either 100% emoji, fire emoji, or anyone at all, any type of emoji at all. Let me see from you. Let me know that yes, you guys are following. Let me know that yes, you guys are following. And if I'm fast, then just let me know so that I'll slow down a bit. You understand? So that I'll match the break. Mm. If I'm too fast, let me know so that I'll slow down a bit. So let me see a reaction from you guys before I go to Euro USD completely. I'm expecting a reaction from you guys so that I'll go to Euro USD. I'm expecting a reaction from you guys so that I'll go to Euro USD. Yep. Hope you guys are active. This one that I have not seen any reaction. Hope you guys are active. Mm? I think my this thing don't see already, and I can see that it's moving here. Mm. I need to see a reaction from you guys so that we'll proceed. And if I do not see a reaction and you guys can hear me, then I'll proceed. That's it. I'll be waiting for your reaction. I'll be waiting for your reaction on the chat. So on the under the comment section, I'll be waiting for your reaction. This is Euro USD. You understand on our screen? This is Euro USD. And what are you seeing? The market cleared this particular high, then trying to go to the downside. And this is the major support level. I'll be waiting for the market to come on before we see another push to the upside. I'll be waiting for the market to come on this particular major support level. Then before I do anything. Before I do anything, I'll be waiting for the market to come on this particular support level, because this support level is a very strong support level. As you can see, we have a touch here, touch here, touch here. This is 1, 2. Since the market break above this particular resistance level, we'll have a touch here, which is 1, 2, 3. This one come very close, but still go back. So we'll not count that one join. This is the top. This is the fourth time that the market is approaching this particular support level. And what am I expecting? If the market comes to this support level and I see my pattern from the support level, I'm going to like take a trade immediately from here so that we ride it to the upside. You understand? And don't forget, the market is on a downtrend, seriously. But what I'm saying on Euro USD is that they move they move Euro USD is taking to the downside is not a healthy move. So I'll be expecting a spike from this particular support level to this resistance level, then maybe take out this particular resistance level, touch on this particular trend line again before we see a serious push to the downside. But that will take a longer time because this is 4-hour time frame. You understand? Maybe what the market will do, like it will like do like maybe more of consolidation till tomorrow. You know, we'll have NLP tomorrow. It will do more of consolidation. Yeah, okay. Good morning, Mr. Emmanuel. Good morning, Mr. Emmanuel. I can see you. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for greeting everybody on the live here. Thank you so much for greeting everybody on the live. All right. That's very great. You guys are following. That's very great. That's my greatest joy. You understand? That's my greatest joy. So I'll be waiting for the market to come to this particular major support level. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. You understand? Then wait for a W pattern. Just like this, something like this. Something like this. I'll wait for a W pattern. I'll wait for a W pattern, something like this from this particular major support level before I take any action. And if the market cannot be able to come to this particular support level, then let it go where it wants. You understand? I'll be waiting for the market to come to this support level, give me a clean W pattern with engulfing, a strong engulfing candle. Yesterday, as we are doing a top down analysis around 8 p.m. yesterday, I told you guys that since the market have given a W pattern and it's going to the upside and give a W pattern, give us this particular strong engulfing candle, if not because it's in the night, like in the evening already, and the market is very low in volatility, we for take a buy from here to this resistance level. And what do you see? The market go in the form of consolidation till it clear this particular high. You understand? As you can see, the market cleared this particular high before we see a break to the downside again. You understand? This is where I supposed to take a sell from. That's the reason why I say we miss an entry on GBP USD and Euro USD. But nevertheless, if you miss an entry now, there will be more lots other opportunity waiting for you. So don't beat yourself too much about that. You understand? So I'll be expecting from the market now is the market to come to this particular support level. You understand? Clear this particular low, then give us something like a W pattern again. Then we'll see a push to the upside. This is what I'll be expecting from Euro USD. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting from Euro USD. So the simple thing I want you guys to know is whenever you come on your chart, you understand, make sure don't be in a haste to take a trade. Do your thorough analysis. You understand? Do your thorough analysis. Make sure make sure you take your technical analysis very serious. I see you, my dear. I see you, Salman, Aquara. I see you. I see you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your reaction. Thank you for your reaction. Thank you for your reaction. So this is what I'm saying. Don't be in a haste to take a trade whenever you come to your chart, because as a beginner you'll be in a haste to take a trade. You don't want any move to you don't want to miss any move on the chart. But that is the only thing that will make you to be having a frequent loss in the market. You understand? That will be the only thing that will make you to be having a frequent loss in the market. If you miss a trade today or this morning, there will be an opportunity for you again, like plenty thousands of opportunity for you. So you need to hold on, take your time, analyze the chart, then know what to do next, prepare for the market next. You understand? And even if you prepare and you still miss the trade, don't beat yourself too much. There will be another more opportunity, and that's what we don't know when we start trading. When we as a beginner trader, that's what you don't know. If you miss a trade now, there will be lots more other opportunity for you again to take another trade. Maybe that one will be more as clean more than the one you missed. You understand? So don't be in a haste or don't be in a hurry to take a trade whenever you come on your chart. Take your time, do a thorough analysis, know where the market is going to, know where the market is heading to, then analyze, break it down to your lower time frame, wait for your strategy to play out from your main point of view, main point of interest. Wait for the market to form what you want it to form. From there, then you take action. You understand? So all what I'm saying is to let you guys know that don't be in a haste. Good morning, good morning. I see you, my dear. Good morning. Agu Uka Mole. Good morning. I see you. Good morning. You are welcome to our live stream. Oh, this your name that you laughed at me yesterday. You have come again. Ikemefuna. You are highly welcome. I see you, my dear. I see you. I see you. I see you. You're highly welcome. I appreciate every one of you who showed on this live. You don't dey laugh at me today again. Don't worry. I'll get it right one day. I'll get it right. I'll get it right. I'll get it right. I'll get it right. No wahala. So what we have been saying, if you come late and you don't understand what we have been saying, just let me know in the comment section so that I'll just brush through it for you guys. This is my view on Euro USD this morning. From this morning to New Year section, this is what I'll be expecting from Euro USD. And if we go on GBP USD, this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD as well. Before we go to XA USD to do analysis on XA USD. This is exactly what I'm expecting on GBP USD also. This is exactly what I'm expecting on JPUSD. I will say let's take a sell from here to this particular support level, but I don't jump on the trade like that. No, I don't jump on the trade like that because I know quite alright that the market is coming to this particular support level. And if the market give us a bullish engulfing candle from here, it means the market is going to the next resistance level. But we are waiting for the market to come to this major support level before we do anything on the chart. You get, before we do anything on the chart. So let's go to XAUUSD, the almighty gold. Let's go to the almighty gold. I'm going to do a fresh analysis on gold now. I'm going to do a fresh analysis on gold. Wait. There's something I see just now. Do you see this support level that I marked out yesterday while doing this in the market? And even you will take this particular trade, the market for stop loss out before it goes all the way to this particular area. You understand? So the market respect this particular candlestick actually. It respect this particular candlestick actually, but it's back to the downside to clear liquidity. XAUUSD, they very good in sweeping liquidity, but thank God I'm not on my chart, because even if I did been on my chart, I will wait for a bullish engulfing candle. And where is the bullish engulfing candle here? This is it. You understand? I did been on my chart, I for not even day in the haste to take the trade. I for wait for my bullish engulfing candle to form, and this is bullish engulfing candle here, and I did will enter the trade from here. Adebin will enter the trade from here. We forget what we want. You understand? At least 1 to 2. At least 1 to 2. Forget what we want. At least 1 to 2. So make sure what you always look for form. You understand? Before you take a trade. As my own, before I take any trade, I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then target 1 to 2. You understand? I don't just jump on a trade, no. Because yesterday that I do this analysis, I said the market will come to this particular support level, clear all this support level, then we'll see a bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level before we take a trade. And as you can see, this is a W pattern. This is my pattern. The market even give a clean pattern that I always look for before I take a trade. You understand? This is the W pattern. And after it give this W pattern, what exactly do you see? It give this particular engulfing candle. You understand? It give this particular engulfing candle before it take this move. So for you to know that this my pattern always work, you understand? It's work. Then you just say 70% of the time, because no any strategy. Don't let anybody deceive you. No any strategy work 100%. You understand? No any strategy work 100%. I can't see what's your app number. No. I can't see what's app number. I don't understand. What exactly you don't see? Let me know what you don't see. And please let me know if you can see my screen very clear. Let me know if you can see my screen very clear. Let me see a reaction from you guys. If you can see my screen very clear. I want to see a reaction from you if you can see my screen very clear. You understand? I want to see a reaction from you if you can see my screen very clear. Then please come again with this WhatsApp number. I can't see it. Okay. My WhatsApp number is on my description. Well, if you go on my YouTube channel, the first number you see at the top there is my WhatsApp number. Okay, means you guys are seeing it very clear. Okay, let me pull my WhatsApp number here for you. Let me pull my WhatsApp number 070 8378 8311 9905 8311 9905. This is my WhatsApp number 070 8311 9905. Yep. Here is my WhatsApp number. You understand? Here is my WhatsApp number. You can get it from here. 070 8311 9905. This is my WhatsApp number. You can reach me on WhatsApp. You can reach me on WhatsApp. You can reach me on WhatsApp. You understand? You can reach me on WhatsApp. All right, means you guys are following. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are following. All right. So this is the WhatsApp number here. You can reach me on WhatsApp. You can reach me on WhatsApp. And WhatsApp is not hidden. Let me see. Yeah, WhatsApp is not hidden. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What's okay? Let's do a top-down analysis. Then let's see what we'll be expecting from XAUUSD. Let's see what we'll be expecting from XAUUSD this morning. I'm going to clear all this drawing that we do yesterday. I'm going to clear everything, then go to 4 hour time frame. I'll go to 4 hour time frame. As you can see, gold is trying to still go to the upside. It's trying to go to the upside again, but let me see what it's doing from the lower time frame. Then I'll mark a support level out on the lower time frame. Let's know what to be expecting. Let's know what to be expecting. This is it. All right. I see you. I've seen the number here. I've seen the number here. I've seen your message here. Yes, I've seen your message here. I've seen your message here. All right. So let's do a thorough top-down analysis on gold, because what I'm seeing on the 4 hour time frame is like, all right, from UK. All right. I can see. I'll reply you after the live session. What I'm seeing on gold here, this is a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. And whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle like this, means the market is still going to the upside. But how are we going to position for this so that we can join this move to the upside? How can we going to like position ourselves to join this move to the upside? In less than 1 hour 23 minutes now, this particular candlestick is going to close, and if it happen it close bearish, means the uptrend will not hold. The move to the upside will not hold. So let's see what we can do. You go to your daily time frame. Let's see how yesterday candlestick close. You understand? Let's see how yesterday candlestick close on gold. As you can see, this is yesterday candlestick on gold. You understand? And it still close bullish. So we are still expecting today candlestick to close bullish. You understand? To close bullish. You get, this is the next resistance level. Then we mark the next resistance level out on the daily time frame. This is the next resistance level. Then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. Let me see what the market is doing. I'll be expecting the market to break below this particular next resistance level. You understand? But where exactly are we going to position for a buy? Where exactly are we going to position for a buy? I'll go to 15-minute time frame. Let me see a support and a support level where we can position for a buy. Let me see a support level where we can position for a buy. I'm going to mark this particular place out. So that I'll wait for the market to tap on this particular support level. Then we'll go and then we'll follow it to the upside, because there is no way if the market go below this particular engulfing candle, means the market is going to the downside. But if the market come to this particular support level, you take a screenshot of this particular analysis. If the market come to this support level, form something like a W pattern on the 5-minute time frame, you understand, and you combine it with bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then you can follow it to the next resistance level. And where is the next resistance level? The next resistance level is here. You understand? The next resistance level is here. You get. So on the 5-minute time frame, I'll switch to the 5-minute time frame. Then I'll wait for the market to come on this particular support level. Then wait for it to form a W pattern from here. You understand? Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. Then wait to see if there is a bullish engulfing candle. If there is a bullish engulfing candle, then I'll enter for a buy from this particular support level. But if there is no bullish engulfing candle, I'll wait for the market to do what it wants. You understand? It's not compulsory. I take a trade. You understand? So don't make it a compulsory for you. Like, don't make it a compulsory for you to take a trade every day. You understand? Taking a trade every day will not make you a profitable trader. You understand? Just make sure you take the right trade. That's just all. You understand? That's just all. So I don't know if you guys are following what I'm saying. I don't know if you guys are following what I'm saying. If you are following what I'm saying, let me see number one from you, please. So that then I'll be expecting a question from you guys. Tell me a pair that you want me to analyze on, because I'll not stay more than 1 hour on this particular live stream today. Mm. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys because I'll not stay more than 1 hour on this particular live stream today. So ask me, like, tell me any particular pair you want me to analyze on. I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. I'm expecting XAUSD to come on this particular support level, then we'll take it back to the next resistance level. Then I'm expecting the market to come to this major support level on the APUSD. You understand? I'm expecting the market to come on this major support level, give us a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame. You understand? On the 5 minute time frame, let it give us a W pattern on the 5 minute time frame. Then we'll enter for a buy to the next resistance level, and it's approaching the support level now, like this. As you can see, it's approaching the support level. So we'll be waiting for it to give us. We'll be waiting for it to give us a W pattern from here. You understand? A W pattern from here. Then we'll combine it with bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. Then we'll enter for a buy. You understand? This is what I'm looking out for on GBP/USD. Same thing with Euro USD as well. Same thing with Euro USD as well. This is Euro USD is approaching the support level. See, I told you guys that we should, like, we for take a sell from here, but I don't just want to be jumping on a trade just because I'm seeing like that is going to the downside. If not, we for take a sell from here. Our stop loss should be around this particular area. I will pack our 1 to 2, but I don't want to just be in a haste taking a trade. And if I should do that kind of thing on a live stream here, means I'm misleading you guys. You understand? Because you guys need to follow the due process. You understand? Till you can be able to like do a simple technical analysis by yourself before you can do anything on the chart. Because let me give you a practical example. You cannot just start learning how to ride a bike. You understand? Then start to do U-turn immediately. No, it's when you have perfectly like learn how to ride a bike before you can do an acrobatic with a bike. So you cannot just play with the chart while you are learning. You understand? It's when you understand, master your strategy every before you can do anything you want on the chart. So I would like want to be giving you guys the authentic process to follow. You understand? The right process to follow, and this is what I'm teaching you guys now. You understand? So I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions. All right. Thank you, Beatrice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. And there's something that I'm trying to teach you guys yesterday on the live during that top down analysis before my voices, and that particular thing is how to identify an inducement on the chart. I'm expecting such questions from you guys, but I'm not seeing the questions from you guys. You understand? I'm expecting such questions from you guys, but I don't know why you guys are not asking questions. Means you guys are following what, like, getting everything I'm teaching, but I still need a question from you guys. Boss, why update one? Let me see. Was how about the updates you wanted to tell us yesterday? That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, what I want to teach you guys yesterday is how to identify an inducement in the market. You understand? That particular thing markets used to do, you understand, to grab liquidity in the market to stop retail traders out. That's very great. That's very great. Means you guys are following. Okay. Mr. Emmanuel, exact same thing that I'm about to teach you guys yesterday before the audio is like there's something the market use normally do. You understand? Whenever it's approaching a major support level, you understand? But so I'm going to like clear this particular, take a screenshot of this, or let me go to USD then I'll give you guys the sample of that particular inducement, how the market grab enough liquidity before it take its move to the next direction. Okay, as you can see, this is a clear chart. 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 So this is what the market do whenever it's approaching a major support level. The market will do a lower low, lower low like this, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then a lower low. Then if the market have created something like this and is about to take a move to the upside, this is what the market will do. It will go up a bit, come down, make an equal low. You understand? And when it made this particular equal, before it make this particular equal low, it will create something like this. You understand? Create something like this, create an inducement. This is what they call inducement on the chart. You understand? Then when it creates something like this, a lot of people will think the market will move up from this particular area. You understand? But it's not going to move up from there. What it's trying to do is it's trying to grab enough liquidity, then come, let me, as the market is creating a lower higher lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is the last swing low. You understand? Then before the market to like come and make an equal low, it will create something like this. This is what they call inducement. You understand? It will create something like this on the chart to make people think it's to buy from this particular area, and retail traders, they will buy from here. You understand? There will be a fake out. You understand? A fake out of this particular area. There will be a fake out, thinking like give them the courage that the market is going to like buy to the upside from there before the market to spike to the downside. It will create a fake out here, a little fake out here, before you see the market spike to the downside. mm, Spike to the downside, come to the major support level. You understand? This major support level here, this major support level here, this is the major support level where the market to like tap on, make an equal low before it will move to the upside. You get? Before it will move to the upside. So the market will create something like this. The market will create something like this. This is what they call inducement, and this is what the market use to grab enough liquidity before it take a sharp move to the upside. You understand? Once it grab this particular liquidity, tap on this particular support level, it will go up, go above this particular resistance level. You understand? Go above the resistance level before you see a lower, a higher high and higher low. You understand? Before you see a higher high, higher low. This higher low, higher high, higher low, like to grab enough liquidity. See, in the process of going to this particular upside, you understand, you mark your support. Let me just say the market come tap on this particular support, this resistance level. As it break to the upside, it will turn into a support level. You understand? It will turn into a support level. Then this is what the market is going to do next. You need to pay attention to this particular strategy. You understand? This particular pattern on the chart every time. You understand? Every time. So the market will come to somewhere around here, create the same inducement. You understand? Create the same inducement. It will create the same inducement. You understand? Trying to form something like this, you understand, from here inducement, it will break below, it will break below this particular inducement that it creates. You understand? Break below it, tap on this particular support level before you see another spike to the upside to create another upside. This is what the market always do. You understand? So whenever a market is approaching a major support level like this, expect the market to create something like this. You understand? Create an inducement. Whenever I create this inducement, it will like make a fake out. You understand? Make the market to break above this particular inducement, give people more courage that the market will break above this resistance level. Then you see a spike to the downside. Tap on the major support level. After you tap on this particular major support level, there will not be any delay again. The market will just go straight to the next resistance level before you see a push to the downside, go up, create another higher high, come down, create another lower low, go up again, create an inducement again to gather enough liquidity, spike to the next support level, then go up. You understand? The market always form like do this type of thing almost every time, and it has not been long that I noticed this particular thing on the chart. So if you don't notice it, you'll be a liquidity. The market will turn you to a liquidity every time on the chart. You understand? Every time on the chart, and this thing happen to a beginner traders. You understand? Whenever they learn about, very clear. All right, all right, all right. Whenever they learn about support and resistance level, the market will like turn them to a liquidity sweep first. They will learn the hard way from this particular structure, from this particular inducement. Just go and study inducement. You understand? What everything I'm teaching you here, just go on your chart, just make research. You understand? Study what inducement look like. You know, you understand better. You understand? Study what inducement look like and you understand better. So we'll have, this is exactly what I want to show you with you guys yesterday before the laptop start doing overheating and the voice cease. You guys, so if there is any question, I will be expecting a question from you guys. Mm. And if you get what I'm like, if you get this particular pattern very clear, just let me know on the comment section. Let me know so that I'll know that yes, you get it very clear. Let me know. Let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction from you guys. Let me see a reaction from you guys. And I'll be expecting a question from you. If there is anything you don't understand on the chart now, just let me know so that we'll brush through it. I'm going to spend just, we'll have less than active boss. Okay, that's very great. Make sure you study this particular pattern. Make research about it. You understand? Make research about it. And if there is any way, if you like, if you are confused in any way, if you come on our live section in the evening, let me know. All right. You are active. You are active. You are active. Rachel, you are active. I see you. 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 Thank you. Active. Active. That is very clear. Active. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And make sure you study it very well, you understand? Because this always happen to a beginner trader. Even it has not been long, like it's of recent that I discovered this particular inducement in the market. I learned it the hard way, you get. So I don't want you guys to pass through all those stress again. I want you guys to like jump this particular step. You get, don't learn it the hard way. Study about market inducement. You understand how market grab liquidity before it take it direction to, before it take the right direction. Learn about it very very well. Then you are good to go. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a questions from you guys. I'll be expecting a questions from you guys. Yep. I'll be expecting the questions from you guys. So we'll have less than hmm? Okay, we'll have less than 11 minutes. Abi? We don't have much time again. You understand? I'll be expecting a question from you. Boss, please, can you analyze BTC, Bitcoin for us? Very sharp, very sharp, very sharp. That's why I'm here. That is the reason why I'm here. Don't worry, let's go to that. Let's go straight to that. Let's go straight to BTC USD. BTC USD. BTC USD, BTC USD. Let me clear all these charts. Then is like we'll take a buy on GPUSD. BTC USD is like we'll take a buy on BTC USD from what I'm seeing. But first of all, for you not to like just jump on a trade like that, just go to the daily time frame, do your top down analysis, just as I always tell you guys. You understand? But I'm waiting for this particular candlestick to close, then we'll enter for a buy on BTC USD. Let's see how it will go during this London section. Let's see how it will go. So where is it? Where is it? You go to your daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is doing. You go to your daily time frame. Let's see how yesterday candlestick closed. Okay, as you can see, we'll see this particular bearish engulfing candle day before yesterday. We'll see this bearish engulfing candle day before yesterday, and we'll see this bullish candlestick yesterday. Okay, and presently now, what you need to do is go to your 4-hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? Mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. Then where should be your number one support level? This is the support level the market is reacting from presently. This is the support level the market is reacting from. Then there is another support level down here. You mark your support and resistance level out. There is another support level down here. Then there is a resistance level here. There is a resistance level here. Then you go to your 15-minute time frame after you know the direction of the market from the higher time frame, because what I'm seeing on the higher time frame, which is daily time frame, is that the market have given this bearish engulfing candle, and whenever you see a bearish engulfing candle, means the market is going to the downside, and moreover the market is on a resistance level. You understand? And I think this is an all-time high on BTC USD. This is another all-time high on BTC USD. And I told you guys that day that this particular candlestick is forming last week, that the market is still going to the upside. But what are we seeing in a short period of time? The market is trying to retrace a bit before we see a push to the upside. You understand? The market is trying to retrace a bit before we see a push to the upside. Then let's go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we will mark our support and resistance level out. You understand? So let's go to 15-minute time frame now. You understand? Let's go to 15-minute time frame now. On the 15-minute time frame, see, there's a major support level here, and the market is creating this inducement. You understand? There is a major support level here, which the market is supposed to come to this particular support level before we see any action, before we take any action. This is what I always tell you guys. You understand? The market will like come close to a major support level. You understand? Whenever it comes close to the major support level, it will create something. It will like start consolidating, making people think it will move up from this particular area. You understand? Sometimes in some occasion back, it will move from here. You understand? But most of the time, this is just a trap. You understand? This is just a trap to sweep liquidity. You get that? Because this is the major support level that the market is supposed to come and tap on, give us a W pattern before we see a bullish engulfing candle, then the market will go to the upside. But before this particular support level, this is exactly what I teach you guys on. This is exactly what I teach you guys here. Let me show you. This is exactly what I teach you guys here. You understand? This is exactly what I teach you guys. Whenever the market is coming, like approaching the major support level, it will create something like this. You understand? This is an inducement. It will like make people to enter for a buy, then clear them out, make them a liquidity before the market will take its move to the upside. And this is another example that I give you guys. And on BTC USD now, we are seeing the same thing. You understand? So people who don't know about this particular liquidity sweep, they will fall victim to this particular thing that the market is doing now. You understand? We are seeing a major support level. The market is approaching a major support level here, but before then, it's creating this particular inducement. You understand? Let me mark it out for you guys. all these things that the market is doing here is creating an inducement. You understand? This is an inducement the market is creating. What we will see from here now is the market to like go up. You understand? Go up a bit, give people more this thing courage that the market will like move to the upside like this. But this is what it will do. It will either go up, create above here, then come down, spike to the downside, come on this particular support level, give something like a W pattern before we see any push to the upside. You understand? This is what BTC USD is going to do. You understand? This is what BTC USD is going to do. And I want you to take a screenshot of this, then come back to your chart later to see how it's going to play out. You understand? I want you to take a screenshot of this particular analysis, then come back to your chart later to see what it's going to do. You understand? Are you guys getting me? We have less than 5 minutes to go. You understand? We have less than 5 minutes to go. So if there is any other question, just let me know. And Mr. Emmanuel, if you understand this quick analysis I do of BTC USD, let me know very, very quick. Let me know very quick. If you are if your intention is to buy from this particular area, don't buy. You understand? If the market like, let it just go up from here, but don't buy. Mm. To me, this is just like this is a trap. You understand? This is a trap. So don't buy from here. Don't buy from here. If you like, let it go, but don't buy from here. This is where you're supposed to buy from. You understand? This is where you're supposed to buy BTC USD from. So if you understand, let me know on the comment section. Let me know. If you guys understand, let me see a reaction from you guys. I'm coming, just a minute. I'm coming. All right, all right, all right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. All right. Yes, please. Yes, boss. All right, all right, all right, all right. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Means you guys are getting what I'm saying. You understand? The markets will not make us illiquidity. No. If you like, let it move from here to the upside. Let it move straight to the upside. But this is where we are expecting it to come before we take any action. Let's check Euro USD and GBP USD. Let's check Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, they are still approaching the support level. They are, they are still approaching the support level. Let me check GBP USD. Euro USD is approaching the support level. So let's check GBP USD. That sell opportunity that will miss. Kai. And I cannot just start this live this thing. No, sha, it's not every move that will catch. Okay. So I'm still expecting the market to come to this particular support level on JP USD and Euro USD before we take action. You understand? I'm expecting the market to come, but don't just enter immediately if the market tap on this particular support level. You understand? If the market tap on this particular support level, don't just enter immediately. Make sure you get an engulfing candle from the let it form a W pattern. You understand? Switch down if the market come to the support level and it's consolidating. Switch down to your 5 minute time frame. Make sure you see a W pattern, and if you see a W pattern from there, go to 15 minute time frame. Take your time, jeje. Take your time. Nobody is pursuing you, and the market is here to wait for you. Even if it not wait for you now, make sure you don't do mistake. You understand? Because any mistake you do on the chart, you pay with your hard earned money. So take your time and analyze the market, because you are dealing with dollar, not anyhow currency. So take your time, analyze the market. Go to the if the market comes to this particular support level, go to your 5 minute time frame. And if the market comes to this particular support level and it's consolidating, go to your 5 minute time frame. Check if there is a W pattern from this particular support level. Once you see a W pattern, go to 15 minute time frame and wait for a bullish engulfing candle. Once you see that bullish engulfing candle, then you are good to go. Then you can enter immediately. You understand? Then whenever you enter, risk to 15 to 20 pip. You understand? Then you target 30 to 40 pip out of it. Your stop loss will be below the engulfing candle. You understand? Your stop loss will be below the engulfing candle. So tell me your favorite pair so that we'll analyze on that. Tell me your favorite pair so that we'll analyze that. Tell me your favorite pair so that we'll analyze that. Tell me your favorite pair so that we'll analyze that. Real quick. Tell me your favorite pair so that we'll analyze that. I just want you guys to be bringing questions for me so that at least I'll be responding to you. Maybe anything you are confused, maybe you are on your chat and you are confused about something. If there is anything you are confused about, let me know, then we'll discuss it together. You understand? Let me know so that we'll discuss it together. Let me know so that we'll discuss it together. I'm here for you guys. Let me know so that we'll discuss it together. So I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. I'll be waiting for questions from you guys. And there is something, you understand? I don't know how it's going to be, but all right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you, thank you, thank you for getting value. Thank you, you're getting value. Means you guys are getting value. You guys are getting value, and that's my number one priority. Let me not just come here and do anyhow. No, I want to be giving value. That is my that's my aim. That's my number one priority. Is there any pair that you want me to analyze for you? So you guys don't have any favorite pairs? Don't just trade every pair. So don't trade every pairs. No. Make sure you get a favorite pairs, and don't allow anybody to convince you to trade any pair you don't understand. Don't allow anybody to convince you to trade any pair you don't understand. Make sure you get your own favorite pair. Study that particular pair, know how it move, then you stick to that. Mm, then you stick to that. But beginner friendly pair is Euro USD. That one is sure. Beginner friendly pair is Euro USD. I trade Euro USD only. I trade only Euro USD throughout last year. Throughout last year, I trade only Euro USD. You have done my already on Euro USD. That's very great. That's very great. That is very great. This one give me joy. That's very great. Okay now. Okay, 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 okay. Euro USD is a beginner friendly pairs. You understand? Don't go and be trading high volatility pairs. So USD JPY, USD JPY. Okay, let me analyze USD JPY. Let me analyze. It's like you like the USDJPY very well. Then you analyze USDJPY, and that's very great. You understand? Don't allow anybody to convince you to like trade a pair you don't understand. Make sure you stick to one particular pair that you understand very, very well. You understand? Then you stick to that. Then you stick to that. BTC is going to break below this particular support, this particular zone. You understand? Come to this particular support level before we see any push to the upside. Oh yeah, let's wait. USDJPY, 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 USDJPY. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, is here that we even do the. This is where we do. Going to clear all this. Let me just check. So on USDJPY, just as I always tell you guys, once you come on your charts, the first thing first you need to do is go to daily time frame. You understand? If you go to daily time frame, then see how yesterday candlestick close. You understand? You see the way yesterday candlestick close. See, my major problem on USDJPY now is this particular gap. This particular gap always give me headache whenever I see it. Why USDJPY refuse to come and fill this gap? What's happening? I'll make research about this particular thing. Why USDJPY refuse to fill this pair? I need to know. I refuse to fill this gap. I need to know. You understand? I'm curious. I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know. So before I even go to this particular analysis, let me snap it first. I want to know the reason why USDJPY refused to fill this gap. I don't want anything that always give me headache. I'm going to take a quick snap on this pair now. Although I don't normally take trade USDJPY, but why this particular gap on USDJPY refused to fill before the market moves to the upside? I want to know about it, and I will come on the live video here and tell you the reason. You understand? And tell you the reason. So if you come on your chart, the first thing first you need to do is go to the higher time frame, which is daily time frame. Know how yesterday candlestick closed. Then you go to your lower time frames like 4-hour time frame. Then you mark a support and resistance level out. You understand? The major support level here that I'm seeing on the USDJPY is this particular area on the 4-hour time frame. Is this particular area on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe when it's coming down to tap on this particular support level, it will use that opportunity to fill this particular gap. I don't know, but I'm going to make research about this particular gap first. I'm going to make research about what's happening on Japanese this thing that is making this particular gap not to be filled. I'm going to make a research about it. So the major support level here presently is this particular support level, is this particular area. Then there's another one here. There's another one here. There's another minor one here. What the market will do when the market comes to this particular area, it will shock you guys. It will create an inducement and clear people out, because many people will take a buy from here when the market comes to this particular support level, but it will create an inducement. You understand? If it comes to this particular support level, it will create an inducement. You understand? It will create an inducement, something like this. Then make a fake breakout like this. You understand? Make a fake breakout like this. Then the next thing you will see, is break below it. You understand? Break below it to the downside. The next thing you see from here, it will break below it to the downside to this major support level. You understand? Then maybe by then it will just takes time and fill this particular gap, but let's just leave the gap now and focus on what we need to be look out for. You understand? This is what the market will do. It will come to this particular support level, this minor support level. I'll call this one minor support level now, because this is the major support level. It will come here, create an inducement, then make people buy from this particular area, then make this particular fake out. You understand? Then break below it, clear liquidity, tap on here before we see any move to the upside. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting. You understand? Then what exactly are you seeing presently now as a scalper or a day trader? What exactly are you seeing presently? Since I've marked this, I analyze this particular 4 hour candlestick. What exactly do you supposed to do, or what exactly are you seeing now like this? The market consolidate around this area. You understand? This is my major concern now. The market consolidate around this area, um then break it to the upside. You see this? The market consolidates around this area, then break it to the upside. Then I'll go to 1 hour time frame. Let me see how far the market consolidates reach. You understand? It consolidates and break to the upside. Then on the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, it break this particular support level consolidation. Then give this, as you see, this is the candlestick that I used to break above the consolidation. This candlestick here, um this candlestick here break above the consolidation. You understand? And after the breakout, we will see a retest. You understand? A retest, but the retest is not that massive. You understand? We will see a retest, then this bullish engulfing candle. You understand? This bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. And if you go to 5-minute time frame, let's see what 5-minute time frame do. Let's see what 5-minute time frame do. Let's see what 5-minute time frame do. There is nothing serious here. That is the reason why the market not go far. There is nothing serious here, so we'll still hold. You understand? There is nothing you can do on the chart now. You understand? I will not tell you to sell from here, because the market break above a resistance level, but the retest that it retest, you wait for the market to come to this particular support level again. You understand? To this particular support level. You understand? Or this major support level here before you take a buy to the upside, because if it happens that the 4 hour candlestick close engulf, then there will be a massive retrace to the downside, maybe to this particular support level. You understand? Hmm? I'm doing this on the, okay, to this particular support level or this particular support level. Then you wait for an engulfing candle again to form. Then by then you see something like a W pattern, then you join it, then you join the trade to the upside. You understand? Just wait for it now. You understand? To come like this, hmm, to come like this, tap on this particular support level, then you see an engulfing candle, then you follow it to the upside. Since the market have break above this particular consolidation, it will come down to retest this particular support level, give an engulfing candle, then you follow it to the upside. You understand? This is what I'm expecting now. You get? This is what I'm expecting now, and this is what I'm expecting on USD JPY. Let me. Okay, this is what I'm expecting on USD JPY. This is what I'm expecting on USD JPY. I for say you like Adibin will come like we're on the chart when this particular engulfing candle form, we for take a buy, target 1 to 1 first, then put it on break even, then wait for 1 to 2. You get? We for target 1 to 1 first, then put it on break even, wait for 1 to 2. But we are not going to jump on the trade. We will wait for a proper retracement to the downside, maybe to this particular support level, then wait for a W pattern on the 5-minute time frame, then you enter your buy position from here to the upside. You understand? This is it. It will come here, give you something like a W pattern, then you enter your buy position to the upside. This is what I'm seeing on USDJPY. This is what I'm seeing on USDJPY. This is exactly what I'm seeing on USDJPY. So even me, I'll put an eye on this particular analysis. I'll put an eye on this particular analysis. I'll put eye on this particular analysis. My stop loss will, like, this particular stop loss, this is not what I'm going to use. I'm just telling you what I'll be expecting on the chart. You understand? Because I'll see an engulfing candle before I'll take any buy from here. Don't just put a buy order here. Wait for the market to give a W pattern on the 5-minute time frame. Then wait for an engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame before you take a buy. Then your stop loss will be below that particular engulfing candle. You get? Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. So I don't know if you get what I said very clear. I don't know if you get what I say very clear. Because I saw it somewhere that Japan have a new prime minister. I guess it's because of fundamentals. That's exactly what I'm going to like find out. Mm. That's exactly what I'm going to find out. Then that's all with that. Mm. I saw it somewhere that Japan have a new prime minister. I guess it's because of fundamental news that the gap refused to close. Exactly, exactly. As you can see, I take a snap of it. Let me just go and make a research. Like the reason why means you are very like, oh my God, Rachel. Thank you for helping me out. But I'm still going to make a research. Thank you for helping me out. But I'm still going to make a research. Thank you so much. I'll spend more than what I want to spend on the live stream. So, Beatrice, do you get the analysis? If you get the analysis on USDJPY, let me see a reaction from you. If you get the analysis on USDJPY, let me see a reaction from you. If you get the analysis on USDJPY, let me see a reaction from you. But first of all, thank you, Miss Rachel. Thank you so much for this for this information. Because I've been wondering why. Okay, that's great. Why USDJPY refused to fill that particular gap? Because from what I've like from my experience so far on the chart, I know whenever a market open with gap like that, the market must come down to fill that particular gap. But this, I know this is the reason why. This is the reason why. This is the reason. All right, Mr. Emmanuel, you get what I said. That's very great. I'm waiting for Miss Beatrice to come and answer me very quick. I don't know if she's active again. I don't know. But please, Beatrice, if you're active, let me see a reaction from you if you get what I'm saying. If you get the analysis on USDJPY, let me see a reaction from you. If you get the analysis, let me see a reaction from you. If you get the analysis, let me see a reaction from you. So guys, if there is any other pair you want me to analyze on, let me know so that I'll look into that. If there's any other pair you want me to analyze on, let me know so that we'll look into that. Real quick. I'll be waiting for you guys. Okay, clear. That's all. That's very great. Means you understand. So that's what I'm expecting on the chart. And this is exactly what I'm expecting on the chart. So you wait for a W pattern to form, then wait for engulfing candlestick before you take your buy from this particular support level, so that you not be a liquidity to the market. If you can stick to that, before you hit SL, it will take a longer time. It will take a longer time before you hit SL. So let's see what GBP USD and Euro USD is doing. Let's see what GBP USD and Euro USD is doing. Let me see gold. Okay. Can you guys see? This is the analysis I just did on BTC USD. I told you guys the market is going to break below this particular inducement that it creates. I'm like, oh my God, it will break below it to the major support level before you see a spike to the upside. This is what the market is going to do, and clean and clear, it has break below it already. It has break below it already. You understand? So what we'll be expecting from here now is to wait for a W pattern. You understand? From the 5 minute time frame, then combine it with a bullish engulfing candle on the 15 minute time frame. Then you take your buy from this particular support level on BTC USD. Then this is on GBP USD. On GBP USD, the market is still dancing around. Let's still wait. The market is still dancing around. So we'll wait for the market to come to this particular support level, give us a W pattern, then we'll enter for a buy. You understand? Give us a W pattern, then join with a bullish engulfing candle, then we'll enter for a buy. So this particular support level, keep your eye on this particular support level. You get? Then let's check Euro USD. Let's check Euro USD. EUR USD. Okay, it's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. Waiting for the market to clear this particular low, come on this particular major support level, give us a W pattern, a clean W pattern. Then whenever we see a engulfing candle from here, then we'll follow it to the upside. This is what I'm expecting to. You understand? This is what I'm expecting to. So, any other question from you guys? Any question? Any question? Any question? Okay, it's okay. I'm grateful. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's a pleasure, then. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. No be lie, you're on fire. Rachel, you're on fire. You're on fire. You're on fire. You're really trying. You're really, really, really trying, and it's good that way. It's good. It's good. Expecting a question from you guys, so that we'll call it a day. Expecting a question from you guys. I'm expecting a question from you guys. Anything 9:30, I'll just call it a day. 9:30, I'll call it a day. When I'll have a full time with you guys is when school close, you understand, or maybe during their midterm break, then I'll have a full time with you guys. Maybe during midterm break, then I'll have a full time with you guys, because now like this my shop is closed. After this live section, I'll just go and open my shop. After this live session, I will go straight to open my shop. You understand? But all I want from you guys is to get value. I just want you guys to get value. That's all. I want you guys to get value. That's all. We have less than 2 minutes to go. Any question? Any questions? Any question? Any question? Any question? So that we'll go. If there's any question, don't hesitate to let me know. I'm waiting for you guys to hit me with one question, so that we just do that together. Then I'll call it a day. Thank you so much, boss. You're highly welcome, bro. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. So, any questions? Any questions? Any question? Any question? We have less than 2 minutes to go. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. All thanks to you. All right. Appreciate, 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 appreciate. Appreciate, 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 appreciate. 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes to go. 2 more minutes to go. Expecting a question real quick. Real quick. If there is no question, then till we'll see in the evening, 8 p.m. Bring your question. I beg, gather questions, you understand, so that we'll be interact, so that we'll have a lot of interaction. Gather question. Then please, 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 before you go, like the video. You understand? Like the video, like it as much as you can. Please like the video as much as you can, so that YouTube can be able to recommend my life to other people, so that will be many. You understand? I'll be very appreciative if our community is many. You understand? You're welcome, bro. You're welcome, bro. You are highly welcome. Please, before you go, like the video. Please like the video, like it as much as you can, so that YouTube can recommend it to many other people. Like the video as many as you can, so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Yep, yep, yep. And if you have not subscribed, please do well and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss our class. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss our class. Hmm? You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Salman, you're welcome. You're welcome. So, if there is no question, then we are going to call it a day. Then we are going to call it a day till we see in the evening, anything 8 p.m. Try to be here. You understand? Try to be here. If you come on the live video, please share it to your WhatsApp status. Share the live video to your live stream to your WhatsApp status, so that other people can join. You understand? So that other people can join. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Thank you, and I see you in the evening. You understand? I'll see you in the evening. See you guys in the evening. So bye for now. See you guys in the evening. So bye for now.